Well, in the United States, voters are expressing dissatisfaction with the course taken by the country, with many harboring strong views on key issues, including the US-Israeli war on Iran, Trump's handling of the presidency, and the economy. Well, according to a recent Fox News national survey, 64% or nearly two-thirds of Americans disapprove of how things are going on in the United States, marking the highest disapproval rate in either of Trump's two terms. Now, voters remain increasingly split on Washington's role in the war. While backing U.S. military action in Tehran, now the survey shows that 42% support the current U.S. military action against Iran and 58% oppose it, including nearly 4 in 10 who are strongly opposed. U.S. lawmaker Senator John Kennedy said that the U.S. should exit the war in Iran, telling reporters that it's time to come home. When asked how soon he would like to see the U.S. pull out, he declined to comment. However, he added, based on the evidence from the Defense Department, that U.S. is almost there. Meanwhile, in a letter signed unanimously, House Armed Services Committee Democrats have called for public hearing on Iran war, urging the U.S. Department of Defense to provide testimony on military operations. Now, voters also raised concerns over rising costs and economic uncertainty, with only 34% approving Trump on the economy, which is down from 6 points since January and 9 points from a year ago. Now, on the leadership front, Trump has recorded his highest ever disapproval rating, which is a whopping 59% of respondents who have disapproved of his performance as president, with 47% strongly disapproving of his presidency and only 41% Americans approving of Trump's second term.